Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Without pills and Torment. 8 foods to help women lose weight faster. They say that to lose weight, you need to eat foods that contain a minimum of calories and a maximum of nutrients. But how to choose the best out of the many vegetables and fruits available to us? A recent study published in the journal Nutrients found that certain fruits and vegetables helped women shed excess pounds faster than others. The study also showed that adding these foods to the diet on an ongoing basis helped maintain a healthy weight after losing weight for 4 years, writes Times. Therefore, if you want to lose extra pounds and avoid their return after losing weight, include the following foods in your diet. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in calories and very satisfying, so it can replace the higher calorie side dish options. A serving of cauliflower only has 25 calories, so you can eat a lot of it without the risk of gaining weight. It is the most effective vegetable for weight loss for women aged 46 to 51, and the third most effective vegetable for women aged 33 to 40, according to research. Green beans. 1 serving of raw green beans contains approximately 31 calories. It contains only 3.6 grams of sugar and contains no fat at all. Moreover, it contains vitamins C, K, A, carotenoids, antioxidants and fiber. It is the third most effective weight loss product in the 46-51 age group. Bell pepper. This colorful vegetable is very low in calories and can help you burn fat faster. It is also a powerful source of vitamin C, which is needed, including for burning body fat. Carrot. This is another nutritious, low-calorie weight loss product that women should add to their diet. It is high in fiber and beta-carotene. Carrots promote the secretion of bile, which in turn accelerates fat burning and weight loss. You can drink carrot juice, add carrots to soups, stews, salads, and strip. Leafy greens. When it comes to weight loss, one cannot fail to mention green leafy vegetables. They contain a lot of vitamins, minerals and fiber, but they are also low in calories. Fiber makes leafy greens satisfying, so you can avoid unnecessary snacks. Broccoli. For women between the ages of 33 and 40, broccoli is the best vegetable for sustained weight loss. This vegetable is a powerful source of healthy carbs and fiber, so it can help you avoid overeating and digestive problems. Apples and pears. Both apples and pears were among the top 5 fruits for weight loss. They both contain fiber and have anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, their calorie content is extremely low, making them excellent foods for those who are losing weight. Strawberry. This berry is high in vitamin C, fiber and potassium. 1 cup chopped strawberries provide 163% of your daily value for vitamin C. In addition, they are rich in other types of antioxidants and are very low in calories. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.